So I'm back with another wig install. My name is thebubsbee, so welcome to this channel, and we're gonna get into this one. All right, this video is being sponsored by Love Me Hair. Thank you so much. In the box we have the wig. All right, we also have some accessories as well in this little bag. We got a wig cap. We needs that, all right? And they do actually have a brochure that gives you all the details about this wig, how to care for the wig, how to use the wig. Also, they have the return and refund information too, okay? And in that little bag, it comes with some satin headbands as well as a satin edge tie, okay? So if you want to lay down your edges, you can do so with this. And it did come with some bobby pins, okay? Let's get the hair out of the bag. Gorgeous unit straight out of the bag. It looks amazing, super fluffy, super lightweight. There's no smell. Beautiful, beautiful natural color brown. This is Love Me Hair's 10-inch super easy curly wig with bangs. So I don't know if you guys know, but I love a wig I can pop on. I really do. I love a wig I don't have to glue down, tag down. I don't have to do anything. Just put it on. So we have an elastic band. That's key because that's pretty much all I use when it comes to my wigs is just the elastic band. It does have some clips on the cap. I typically don't use those, and it does have an adjustable strap as well if you want to tighten this wig. All right, I'm going to pop on my wig cap, of course, and underneath this wig cap I just have my hair in some flat twists. All right, stay tuned to see how that comes out, but anyways, I'm gonna pop this wig on. Super easy to put on. It's no fuss, no tussling at all. I'm just making sure the clips aren't sticking me. I'm actually just going to lay the clips on the cap and make sure the band is tight enough, and it looks so good. Look at it. I love how it's so messy. I'm getting some definition, but I'm still getting fluffiness straight out of the box, guys. And as you can see, I'm tugging it and pulling it. This is not going to fly off or rip off. So that's look one. Now look two, we're going to fluff and comb this hair out. I want to get a big voluminous afro, okay, a curly fro. So I'm just going to use this detangling brush and comb out the curls. So if you really do love big hair, this is the unit for you. I love that I can get definition or I can get a big fluffy fro. So stay tuned because I am going to show you how I like to define this wig. And whoever shaped this wig, they did such an amazing job. It's perfectly shaped. I love this. I love this. You guys know I love big hair, so this is the look for me. For me, big hair all day. All right. Big hair, even during these warmer nights. All right. It's if summertime's right around the corner. Yes, this is gorgeous. Now let's get a defined wet look, all right? All you need is a little bit of water. Don't spray too much, just a little bit of water to get the curls defined, and the hair looks luxurious. It has luster to it, shine. Raking your fingers down the hair will enhance the curl pattern. You can see the difference from one side to the other. Man, I love these types of wigs. I really do. I love that I don't have to do too much to get the look I want. And here we have the second look, the wet look. Perfect summer hair. Perfect summer hair. This wet, beachy look. So how do you all feel about more of a fluffy look or more of the wet look? All right, what do you prefer? For me, I like a mixture of both. So I'm actually just going to come back, all right? I put on a little dress just to finish off the outfit, but I do like the curls being defined, but I want a little bit more volume. So I'm just gonna pick it out and comb the hair out some. I do wanna mention you will get some shedding with this unit. I did get a little, not too much at all. No cause for concern. I still love this wig and I'm going to be using it nonstop. I will be wearing it a lot. So I'm going to pick it up and throw it out. I definitely could have went in with like a blow dry a little bit just to get a little more volume. I think I should have did that, but this is pretty much the technique I will be using to get the look I want with this unit. What do you all think? Do you like it? Would you purchase this? I'm gonna leave everything down below. I'm gonna leave a direct link so you can purchase and check out this wig. Definitely head over to Love Me Hair's website. I do want to thank them so much for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I will leave a playlist in the cards and down below if you want to check out more units I've installed. Head over there and I'll see you all in the next one.